Fuck's sake. Yeah, fan wouldn't start this morning. Might have to get it towed. Try to heat up the carburetor, so. Fuck. Good morning. It's Jerky Jones here. I'm in Grande Prairie, Alberta, warming up my battery because the van wouldn't start. It is, the sun's playing through. It is so friggin' cold. It's like minus 30 right now. And I slept here in the van last night. And boy, oh boy, did it ever suck. It was so friggin' cold. I was just shivering all night. Plus it was hard to sleep because I'm next to a grocery store and the snowplow removal was going on all night. Like till 5 in the morning, it was all I could hear was plow scraping. Brutal. Anyways, managed to pull the battery out, trying to let it warm up a bit. I had a guy come and try to boost me, asked some random guy, and wouldn't boost. It was too cold, I guess, wouldn't even boost. It wanted to start, kind of. I could hear it rumble once. But yeah, my feet are freezing. My feet are freaking freezing. My feet are frozino. The floor in this van is like the same temperature as outside. So I figured, well, I'll bring the battery in, try to warm it up. I don't know. That's all I can think, really. Other than that, who knows? Might have to get it towed. But yeah, we're back in the van, baby. Woo. Woo. I wish I was kind of happy about it. For those that don't know, I went and had hernia surgery a couple weeks ago and it sucked. Yeah, so I had hernia surgery and I finally yesterday I had the fan with the block heater plugged in. I was like, yep, started right up, awesome. All is good. Left my friend's house, drove around, did some stuff, parked, curled up for the night, damn near froze my ass off. All I could think was I need to buy more blankets. And yeah, so and then this morning it did not start. So here we are. I got my two little burners on. And the battery warming up. Here's my view out the window. There's my front window. You can't see anything. It's all frozen. Everything is frozen. Just not super thrilled. This extreme cold. It's been like minus 30 for 2 weeks up here now. And it's brutal, man. Grande Prairie, Alberta is not the place to van life. I can tell you that much right now. I gotta get the hell out of here. But my van isn't running very well. It keeps stalling on me all the time when I'm driving, so I can't go anywhere. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the coldest fucking place on earth. Shit, man. Thank you, Kira. I had a friend who willingly on their own dropped me off a coffee. So anyways, folks, yeah, this is gonna take a while. See, the snow's not even melted on top of there yet. It's gonna take a little while. But yeah, just here in the van, just gonna try to get this started. Mind the camera, it's foggy. I wiped the lens off, but it's the inside of the camera. Anyways, folks, man, fingers crossed. Hopefully we can get something going here. This sucks ass. Fuck. Oh, my fucking feet. Fuck's sake. Alright, folks, we're back. Battery's still warming up. Got the block heater that I installed plugged in. Going through the driver's side door there. And we got it plugged in. she's cold out there. Whoa! All right, folks. Little update here. Still got the battery warming up, but my good friend Kira and her dad Scott have this Bluetti charger. It's like a Jackery, but it's extra big and powerful. And I have this plugged into my block heater right now. So it's drawing, the block heater is drawing 570 watts. I tried to plug my little Jackery into it, but because my Jackery is only 300 watt, it cut out, short-circuited it. The block heater is too powerful for it, so it wouldn't run it. But this Bluetti seems to be running it just fine. So we're gonna try to warm up my block heater as much as I can and try to start this thing. So thank you, Scott and Kira, and let's see how well the Bluetti fares. Warming my feet up, having a puff. Just waiting. Damn, we're at 38%. 38%. The block heater is just burning through the power of the Bluetti here. All right, let's give it a go. Come on. No, it ain't starting. Fuck. Been trying a little bit here. Even I only had the block heater plugged in for like 20 minutes max. It's not enough. It's barely even got it warmed up. It's not starting. Damn. Well, I don't know. I guess I gotta call a tow truck and get it towed to my friend's house. I think that's the only option. Lovely. All right, folks, round two, fight. Last thing we're trying here, Scott brought a little heat gun. He's going to plug it in with the little bit of battery power we got and try to heat up the carburetor. So other than that, I mean, we tried warming up the block heater, not enough time to do that. Tried bringing the battery in here, tried boosting it. It's just so cold. So this is our final step. Let's see how it goes. That's how we do it.
How we're trying to do it.
How we're trying to do it. That is correct. Look at the view out from the ice.
Go ahead and just give it a quick try.
Okay.
Do not let it fucking stall, whatever you do. I don't think you're gonna get it.
I don't think so either, man. All right, we just boosted the battery for like 5 minutes. We got this thing going. Fingers crossed. Come on. After the fact, let's do this. Oh, fuck. Almost.
Okay.
Come on, baby. Come on.
It's way better than what it was before.
That's right. Nope. Fuck. Damn it.
Okay.
We got a run, man! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! That's it. It's fucking blowing the cold air in here like crazy, though. Sucking it right in. Woo! Yeah!
For like a minute, don't let it fucking...
Yeah, I gotta keep her. Holy fuck, it's cold though! Are you there, Scott? It is just stuck in the cold
I'm
air.
gonna disconnect the jumper cable.
Okay, I'll stay right here, thank you. Woo! We fucking did it! We did it, baby! Where there's a will, there's a way. The old baby, she didn't want to die, she wanted to go.
Dude, that's cold.
This is cold, there you go. That's my door.
I don't know if you want to shoot too much of that, man. Everybody's gonna want to move to Canada.
Right? They're... I know. Are you jealous? You jealous of my van life? You got
freezing.
Thank you.
Is it right idling on its own now?
Yep, it is. Look at the fucking interior. It's just okay. No, I can't even. Yeah, like I said, I can't even lock the door. It's frozen now. So we got her. We got her. My buddy parked the opposite direction on the one way. You gotta love it. You gotta do what you gotta do. All right, buddy.
Anyhow, can you just stand there for a minute?
Oh
and
yeah,
let me know
that's you. Yeah,
I can pull out
for sure. And I think you're good. Here he goes. Oh, so cold. Oh no, my heat. There we go. Okay, we got it. I just turned the heat on and it was going, but it seems to be going. Blowing ice cold air up. Let's get this doghouse put back on and let's warm this sucker up. This is fun to do when you've had hernia surgery. Got it! All right, folks, I think that's enough video for today. My buddy Scott and his daughter Kara said I could go stay in their driveway. Bless. I'm praying right now, bless. So I'm gonna go to Canadian Tire quick, get a little heater for the van, and go back and park in their driveway. And I'm gonna treat Scott and Kara to lunch today for helping me out so much. They deserve it. So anyways, folks, that's the video today. Jerky Jones adventure struggle. I'm pretty happy we got it started. I didn't lose hope. I didn't lose all hope. You know, it sucked, but I wasn't like super defeated. I was just like, fuck, here we go again, another thing. But it did suck, but luckily we got her. So anyways, I gotta put my stuff back, put all this back, get everything, all my work boots put back to the front, and yeah, clean up a bit, let the window thaw. All right, folks, thanks for watching Jerky Jones Adventures. Freezing my nads, my gigantic nads off out here in Grande Prairie, Alberta. If you live in a van, don't come here. You do not ever want to come here. You will die. All right, thanks for watching, folks. Peace. Jerky Jones over and out. Hey, what up, folks? Jerky Jones here. All right, so we got the van parked up my friend's driveway. It was a long day trying to get it running. We got her running. We got her parked here. This is where she's gonna stay. I'll still go out and do road trips to go to the store and stuff, but my friend said I could just keep it parked here. And I got my LED lights blinking away in there. Kind of fun. And then I got her parked. Got the block heater put in. It's looking good. It's fine. This is where I had it parked before. This is how much snow we've gotten recently. It's crazy. And yeah, let's go see inside. So I got it warmed up. Oh. All right, so this is home for a little while until it gets a little warmer and stuff. But yeah, my buddy's letting me use this little heater here. And I got my computer set up. And yeah, unfortunately the remote for the lights isn't working, and this is the default setting when you plug the LED lights in, so that's what we're getting. I don't really like it, but it's better than no light. Gotta get a battery for that remote. Anyways, folks, thanks for watching. What a day, what a day. It is so cold up here, you have no idea. Pick your battles wisely, folks, but never say die, never surrender. We got her running. All right, anyways, thanks for watching. Gonna leave you with this cool sticker that's tripping me out. All right, Jerky Jones out. Peace. Woo! It's a Maya!